Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. Did a video recently unboxing some metal I got from Hobbyist Hobby Kits. I believe that's the name of the company. And I might not have put them in the greatest light. They deserve a retraction. They deserve much better. They certainly held up their end of the bargain. They did mistakenly send me a piece of a 12L14 1.5 inch by 12 inches. And it should have been a piece of aluminum, and that did set me back in my project a little bit, but they're making it right, and I got a nice piece of 1.5 inch stock as a consequence of things. Let me show you what we got exactly from them again. Let's see if I can zoom in on their name. Hobby Metal Kits. And this is the sticker for the Hobby Kit 12L14, which is this group, 12 inches long, 3/16 to 1 inch. And then there's my 1.5 inch by 12 inches. It should have been aluminum. And this is the hex bar kit. It's $12. Starts at 3/8. I think it goes up to a 1/2 inch maybe. Did a little dumpster diving. Tool shop close. Tool shop in a small community close to me, and I think this 3 on the left are stainless, and this one, this tube actually has a seam running down it, whatever that means. And I got what I thought was I was real excited, 2 nice pieces of aluminum. Obviously, it didn't come out the way they had planned it, and had to scrap it. And, one day I'll own a mill and I'll be able to do something with this, you know. There are some good pieces of aluminum in there. So, those are my dumpster finds. And here's my Hobby Metal Kits score. And there's my latest project. I decided to throw a piece of copper in here just because I battled to get that piece even parted. My machine is not going to be doing copper anymore, which is a shame because I have a nice little supply of copper back here. But that'll have to be on standby waiting for my new lathe. So please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend.